Hi, it's Brad here with Alton Technologies. In MDaemon 17, we introduced some new features to WorldClient, and one of them I'd like to demonstrate for you today is the ability to share a read-only copy of your calendar in iCal WebDev format. This allows users of other clients such as Google Calendar or Outlook or Mac iCal the Mac iCal app to view a read-only copy of your calendar without requiring them to enter any login credentials. So the way it works is a read-only private URL is created, and this URL contains an access token that allows the user access to your calendar. And so let me demonstrate this for you today. So here I am in WorldClient, and I'm in my calendar. I'm going to right-click on my calendar and click on Share Folder. This is the URL that you can share. Now, if I were to just click on this right now, it would prompt me to open my my default mail program, which in this case is Outlook. So you can click on this if you want to see what it does, or you can copy and send that URL to anyone you wish to share your read-only copy of your calendar with. And when they receive that URL, they can simply click on it like this, and then it's going to what it did is it downloaded an ICS file. I can launch that ICS file, and it will launch Outlook for me, and it'll take me right to that calendar. Let me adjust this here so it'll fit on your screen. And so here's the calendar right here. So it's very easy to use this feature to import a calendar, a read-only copy of your calendar for those clients you wish to share your calendar with a read-only copy of your calendar. So just another new feature we've added to make it easier for you to collaborate with others. So have a great day, and stay tuned. We'll have more tutorials coming soon.